Hi, my name is Avery Domingo, and today I'll be talking about my EE496 project, the PV CleanerBot. This is my second semester working on this project, so just to recap what this project is about, the PV CleanerBot is a project where we're trying to create an affordable robot that can clean the surfaces of PV panels on any residential or small commercial PV systems. So what happens when you don't maintain your panels is that dust or debris like bird droppings will collect on the panels. And over time, it will decrease the lifespan and efficiency of your panels. And the bird droppings especially will decrease it because you'll create um, dark spots on top of the panels, and it will create a short circuit which will heat up, and so not only will you damage the panels, but you'll decrease the life expectancy of the whole system. So cleaning the panels is an important um, task, and there is technology out there that cleans panels. There are robots out there, but these robots are very expensive. So again, the goal of this project is to create an affordable robot that can clean the surfaces of these PV panels. So this project's interesting to me because it incorporates an electrical aspect and a mechanical aspect. You have some programming, and you have the assembly of mechanical parts to create this robot. Another reason why this project is interesting to me is because we're creating a robot that will do something simple like cleaning. And the applications for this is endless. You can create robots to do any everyday task. And so I think by doing this project, I want to get my foot in the door just in case creating robots to do any type of task becomes a thriving industry in the future. So our approach to the problem this semester is quite different from how it was last semester. Last semester we were just focused on obtaining funds and just kind of brainstorming how we'd come up with a design for the robot. But this semester we're organized a lot better. We're split into two groups. One group will be working on the cleaning mechanism for the robot, so how it's going to clean the surface of the panels, and then there's another group that's working on the chassis or frame of the robot and how it will propel itself across the panels. In our group meetings, we've discussed that the cleaning mechanism for the panels could just be small little brush spots or um, yeah, small little brush spots or robots that will just kind of vibrate in place, and they will be confined in a space, and that confinement will move across the panels while the brush spots will move along with the confinement while cleaning the space, the surface of those panels. But I'm in the second group, which is the building of the chassis and how the robot will move across the panels. Um, some skills that I have acquired while doing this project and in other projects in the past in high school is soldering parts on circuit boards. But some other skills I might have to acquire and learn is how to program the Arduino. So I'll be working on my group with that. By the end of the semester, we hope to have a working prototype of our robot, um, and we hope to use this prototype on the top of Holmes Hall, where there is an array of PV panels up there. It's the last time we visited there, we took pictures, and as we were looking at those pictures, um, we were talking about how it might be difficult how the robot will move across the gaps between the panels. So we're doing more research into that, and we're brainstorming how we'll overcome these different obstacles. At the very least, though, we hope to come up with a working design, um, a working cleaning mechanism and motor system that will move the robot across the panels, and maybe another group, the next group that comes along will be able to assemble the design we have and create this working prototype. Overall, this project is pretty important because it promotes renewable energy and also a creative means of making renewable energy more efficient. So thank you for allowing me to share my project with you for this semester, and we're looking forward to keeping you updated. Thank you.